With the rising inflation rates, are you looking for ways to increase your net worth? Do you want to start a business, or are you looking for ways to boost your business? Either way, e-commerce is the key. In our video today, we will tell you the benefits of e-commerce and why it is the fastest and the most effective way to start or boost your business and ultimately increase your net worth. Are you ready? Let's get going! Consumers' shopping preferences have changed frequently over the past 10 years, and businesses are working hard to keep up. Before making purchases, shoppers easily browse online stores, marketplaces, mobile apps, physical stores, and social media sites. As innovative technology facilitates their journey, consumers are looking for exceptional brand experiences across these digital and physical touchpoints. E-commerce selling has many benefits for a long-term strategy to attract customers. Whether you're looking to grow your brick-and-mortar business or are just getting started, look no further than the direct-to-consumer brands that are upending the retail industry by developing digital-first strategies to win over devoted clients. Within the next 5 years, 81% of consumers said they planned to purchase products from direct-to-consumer brands. So, where did these companies develop their businesses? Online. Are you ready to see the benefits of e-commerce? Well, here are 9 advantages of e-commerce selling to consider. Before we begin, what do you think about this topic? Please share them in the comment section below, and if you are new to our channel, please like, share, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to click the bell icon. Now, on to our list. Advantage number 1. Low cost. In general, e-commerce businesses are much less expensive to launch and maintain than physical storefronts. If you were to open your physical retail store, you would probably need to invest a significant sum of money in the location's rental and renovation, storage space rental, and acquiring the goods you intend to sell. You won't need a sizable initial investment to start selling when you run an online store. Instead, you can create your store with personalized designs for less than $100 using an e-commerce platform like Shopify. Of course, you'll have to pay a monthly fee for your Shopify subscription, but this will probably be incredibly affordable compared to the expense of maintaining a physical location. Advantage number 2. It's simple to display bestsellers. It's relatively easy to show potential customers your best-selling products when you run an online store. You can design unique graphics to highlight them on your store's homepage, create a category just for them, and compile marketing campaigns. Numerous customers will be interested in your best-selling items because they are tried and true items from your shop. They also speak volumes about your brand, so make sure your online store visitors can easily see them. Advantage number 3. 24/7 income potential. E-commerce stores are always open, in contrast to actual physical retail stores. This indicates that you can make money every day of the week, including holidays. Consider this. Operating an online store makes no difference when your customers want to shop because they have the power of choice. They might purchase at 4 p.m. or 4 a.m. because your marketing campaigns will be active all day. Now contrast this with actual stores, which typically remain open from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. E-commerce business owners have a lot more time each day to make sales. Advantage number 4. Automation. We are now in a more advanced world. You can do everything in automation, most especially in e-commerce. All the things that you can do, including financial systems, inventory, shipping, and customer support, can now be automated. You don't need to hire a lot of people to do these jobs. You can assign a chat bot for chat support. You can use a software to track your inventory, and you can set the shipping automatically. And that's it. You now have a business and it's running automatically. Advantage number 5. Worldwide range. You'll operate a global business when your e-commerce store goes live. If you want to, you can sell to people worldwide. You could also limit your sales to people in a single nation, perhaps even your own. You have a choice. Advantage number 6. May promote impulse purchases. E-commerce stores have the remarkable ability to entice customers to make impulsive purchases. They'll be much more motivated to purchase if you give them access to an appealing product page, high-quality images, and the appropriate product sizing. But the scarcity strategies you can employ will entice customers to your online store. You can add countdown timers to let potential customers know that a sale is about to end or that there are only a limited number of items they're interested in. These encourage your clients to click buy by triggering a sense of urgency. They would not want to miss out if they are interested in your goods. Advantage number 7. Remarketing possibilities. Remarketing your products to customers is a great way to increase sales when you run an online store. However, it's a challenge that physical store owners face. As an e-commerce business owner, you can go after customers who left their shopping carts empty while visiting your website. You've already completed the difficult part of your job. You've stimulated their interest in your products and maintained it long enough to move them through the checkout process before they abandoned it for whatever reason. Perhaps they were preoccupied at work or needed assistance with their children when they forgot about your store. However, since they once expressed interest, simply email them to inform them that the product is still available. You'll be amazed by how effective this strategy can be. This tactic isn't possible if you manage a physical store. It would be like chasing down a customer who was perusing your shop and yelling, "Hey, I think you forgot something." Few clients would respond by leaving and entering your shop again. Advantage number 8. It's quick to scale your business. Every business owner wants to see success in their enterprise. And when that occurs, you should intensify your efforts. You'll eventually discover that you need to expand your operations to keep up with customer demand, or you'll lose out on potential sales. Scaling your business when you run a retail establishment involves many factors. You'll require a more extensive shop, more storage, more supplies from your suppliers, more salespeople, and so on. It might turn out to be a lengthy procedure. And during that time, the growth of your company might slow down. On the other hand, if you run a drop shipping business, scaling your business will primarily involve ensuring that your marketing budget is adequate and that your advertising is effective. Advantage number 9. Reduced advertising fees. Customer advocacy and elevated brand awareness make reduced marketing and advertising expenses possible. Every time a product review or comment about your brand is posted on Google or another independent consumer review website, and you have the chance to reach potential customers as the internet spreads information quickly. Additionally, e-commerce platforms' product listings make your products visible to potential customers. You can use pictures, videos, banner ads, or animated GIFs to display your products. You can access various reasonably priced tools to market your goods. Not to mention that Google positions e-commerce platforms well and that everything listed on websites will be highly ranked in the search results. Overall, scaling an e-commerce business is a much simpler, cheaper, and faster way to increase your net worth. If you are looking for a way to start or boost your business, you should try e-commerce. Anyway, what do you think about this topic? Do you agree with us? Does e-commerce work? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.